Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Hatu pindon am katong manlong kita kinong shed hagi hotel and hagi restaurant ki bapau. Hamokam hilaban pun orlong ki katong ko jongpi. Ke emission kelap play bani ai ki course ki bapel. Kadon ka degree course, ka diploma, ka advanced diploma course.
Menta kasi ka khanri tarik ujliu arajara panriu. Ka Sorkar India kala penmi ya ka jingpen bana. Ba baro ki dawai bakanthop ya ki dawai Jingthoh on omla Shuh ban shudi kumtu Khlem dayo Jingthoh nagi Doktor. Ka Ministry of Health and Family Welfare kala penmi ya ka jingpen bana. Ba kala pengelano ya ka Drug Rule 1945. Bat kala shna ya ka kendon katkum ka an jong ka Drugs and Cosmetic Act 1940. Ha kani ka jingpen bana la wengno ya ka kantin sirap na ka thup jong gitu ki dawai ki bala plaj ha ki kendon jong ka act namar ba menshwa ka rule kala plaj ya ki dawai Jingthoh bat ki weipat ki ba ki pajba ki la ban Thied hi henrei menta la perkhingno.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.